6 o'clock, the day winds down. Family dinner all around. Mom is cooking in the kitchen. The warm smell fills the air. Dad comes home, hangs up his coat. Smells great, he says with care. The table is set, the lights are warm. The food looks good away from the storm. Family dinner, family dinner. We sit together every night, sharing food and sharing stories. Everything feels just right. Tonight we have rice and miso soup, grilled fish and fresh salad too. How was your day at school? It was great, thanks for asking too. Grandma tells us tales from long ago. Little brother spills his juice, oh no. We talked about our day-to-day, about our friends, our hopes and dreams. The food is warm, our hearts are full. Life is sweeter than it seems.